So would you like to look like this in 10 years from now, or would you rather look like this? All right, so I just customized a stretch program for a company in central Minnesota to help improve their posture, reduce their pain at work, be more productive, and it was working very well.
They're actually teaching it to all their employees now, and we thought it'd be a good idea to share it with you, our audience.
That's right, it does fit everyone. All right, so I wanted to have a name for this program, and I call it the Big Three. It's 3 very simple exercises, can be done standing, sitting, as well as walking. You'll see in just a minute, it works very well, the Big Three.
So the purpose of the Big Three is to prevent pain and also prevent slouching bad, poor posture, which many of us have through many daily activities we do.
Now, these activities are common for everyone. We have people that are
looking at your cell phone,
at a computer workstation,
or driving in a car.
The first stretch is making the W like this. We're going to do this, squeeze our shoulders back. You can go against the wall to see if your posture is good. Butt back and then head up against the wall without looking up. If this is easy, we're going up like this to even make the stretch stronger and back down. You're going to do this for a total of 10 seconds at the most. That is perfect posture. You do not need the wall. You can do it like Mike is doing it here after you've used the wall. Make sure you breathe and relax with this. Are you holding your breath, Mike?
No, I'm breathing.
All right, let's go to number 2. Stretch number 2 in a seated position. It can be done very well. Mike, show them how to do it.
So you're going to start with the W again, same position, and you can go up just like this, do so many repetitions like we talked about earlier, or you can get into the hallelujah stretch where you're actually arching a little bit more, going over the top of the chair and bringing my arms back. Again, if you have, say, a bad shoulder, you can clasp your hands together. Do the same concept.
That's right. Now, if you have a chair that's tall like this one and it gets in the way, because then you will not be able to arch back, the chair gets in the way. You will need to take a ball, take it from your children at home or from the playground, wherever, a soft ball about 6-8 inches, put it here. This really works well. Mike actually invented this here, and then I do the W stretch, and then I also want to get that arch and really bring it back. And you only need to do this 2 or 3 repetitions. If you want to do more, fine, and then you're done. Get back to work. It should take you 15 seconds at the most.
For the last stretch, you're going to need a doorway.
So every time you walk through a doorway, if it's not too wide, you're going to do a W posture stretch every time, 1 or 2. It's really going to be something consistent. Mike, show them what they're going to do.
So you're going to do the same thing, except for you're going to use the side of the door frame as your reference point. Get in here, and then you're actually going to just lean forward this time, and you can feel a good, comfortable position. If you want to feel a little bit different stretch, bring your hands up or lower, depending upon what's comfortable for you.
That's right. Just make sure you don't let your head arch too far forward. 2 or 3 stretches like that and continue walking. So what you're going to find out is on the door here and the door frame there's going to be handprints, maybe some smudges if you've been doing gardening. Then you know you've been doing it enough.
Wash your hands.
All right, so continue to do those on a daily basis. They're going to keep your posture out, and it's going to remind you of your posture. There's one little bonus one. If you happen to be sitting long term, do some lifting, or squatting a lot, do this simple little stretch before and after. Simply stretch backwards 2 or 3 times. Go to your long-term sitting, squatting, lifting, and after you're done, you get up from sitting, stretch back again 2 or 3 times. That's all it's needed. Nice little stretch. So remember to keep that perfect posture with the Big 3 exercises. Also, if you really care about your friends and family and you see them slouching a little bit, politely say, straighten up. We don't want to look like a slouch and we grow up.
My girlfriend yells at me
Say
when I
it
tell
politely,
her
of
that.
course. You say it to your girlfriend?
Yeah, she doesn't like it.
But she's looking better, isn't she?
Yeah.
It's for her own good. All right, so keep that perfect posture with the Big 3. Do it daily. And also, I encourage daily walking for posture as well.
Now, if you want to check out more videos on how to fix your posture, you can click the video link on the screen.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.